open these surprise eggs. So let's open it up.
Alright, let's get started, Chloe.
We have Minnie and Mickey and her little horse.
Alright, so what do you think is inside that lollipop surprise, Chloe?
Let's see.
Okay, what's inside, Chloe? The lollipop. Let's see what's inside the lollipop. Some candy. Alright. Well, you can't eat them all. Can I pick that surprise egg? Ooh, more candy. Ooh, what are those candy? Are those jelly beans? Wow. Let me see. What color are those jelly beans? Wow, let's see. More lollipops. Ooh, and more candy. All right. Another surprise egg. And more jelly beans.
Okay, let's see what's inside in this egg.
The surprise egg.
Wow, chocolate. I love chocolate.
Is that chocolate?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Delicious. I can see some green. Let's see what's inside.
Oh, let's see. Okay, let's see.
Let's see what the instructions for. Let's see, we got a poster.
Okay, wait, show me so I can show the kiddos. Oh, the animals.
And these are puppies. Here we have it here.
Okay.
Here's Easter puppies.
What's the name of the puppies, Chloe?
I think I'm gonna call it Jerry and Mia.
Jerry and Mia. So Jerry and Mia came from the
Easter egg.
the Easter eggs or the Kinder Surprise eggs. They are so cute.
I think this one is gonna be the brother and this one is the girl. Nom, 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 nom.
This chocolate is good, Chloe.
Oh, I got a chocolate face.
You got a chocolate face. What about a chocolate hat? Can she wear a hat? Ooh, her hat is made of chocolate. What about the horsey? I think the horsey wants some chocolate. Ooh. Bye guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye-bye. We're gonna be unboxing this Despicable Me Play-Doh Crazy Hair Minion Machine. So let's have some fun and let's get started. Okay, here's the box. As you can see, it comes with the two Play-Dohs and the two